It's me again. This is yet another new acquisition. I don't actively look for vacuums like this, but they end up in my collection anyways. This is a 1990 Hoover Convertible. I suspect this was one of the last Hoover Convertibles produced, because I think the days of the convertible became numbered when the Decade series, the Elite, and the Concept series all came to market. And I think not too long after this is when the Elite pretty much took over entirely for the convertible, minus the commercial guardsman. I think this is like a 4.9 amp motor. I'll flip it over and show you. But I was doing some dumpster diving like the good old days. And this was in a dumpster. And it wasn't that dirty. It hadn't been there long. When I got it home, I noticed that the zipper was stuck, so I manually opened the zipper to excise, I think you'd call it, whatever was in the bag, and I found out that the bag, it was a Hoover A bag, very old one, it had burst, and when it had first burst, they attempted to tape it back together with clear, like, packing tape. And then they kept using it, and the packing tape didn't stick to the dusty bag, and I'm guessing it just failed in another way too. So they kept using it. The outer bag was packed full of dirt. So I took it off. I washed it by hand using my shower wand. I found that hot water removed the dirt the best. Let it air dry for about a day. Now it's back together. It could use some more cosmetic work, but it's good enough for me. The brush roll, the end caps are seized on, but the bearings aren't seized, so I'm going to use it like it is for now. I gotta put some penetrating oil on them and spin them off with a wrench. Probably a vise as well. But this was about as basic of a machine as you could get in 1990. 2 height adjustment options, regular and low. No headlight, no attachment capabilities, and like a 15-foot cord, if that. Cord is hilariously short. It's shorter than any of my Elite cords, even my 1994 Kmart Elite, which has like a 20-foot cord. So yeah, short cord, no headlight, no attachments, single speed, small motor. Nice blue color though. I do like the color. Unsurprisingly good. I'm gonna flip it over so you can see the. Now, obviously, if you know anything about convertibles, this is a plastic base. It's all plastic. Plastic base, plastic fan, plastic everything. So, there's your model number, U4531. Serial number says 10 of 90. A-bag, 4.8 amps. Made in USA. So, yeah. And also, this brushel does not have beater bars. It just has one row of soft, very soft, comparative to other convertibles, very soft red bristles. These may not be original, I'm not sure, but one row of bristles, no beater bar. So, I think, without further ado, I'm going to run this. The belt that's in it is the belt that came with it. It looked to be in good enough condition. Make sure there's nothing in here that's going to damage it. Because I don't want to shatter a fan at this stage after putting all that work into it. Anyways, here goes another one. Height adjustment. So yeah, it runs very good for its age and overall condition when I got it. Kind of can't kill these low amperage convertibles. That's what I found. So this is the... So I have this... Now I have this ABAC convertible, a 1989 5 amp convertible deluxe with the big short hood, big headlight. There's a video on it. Decade 800 blue. That's a 6.2 amp. And a Hoover Concept 1, also blue, with whatever motor it's got. So this just add another addition to my Hoover fleet. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.